Welcome back. Here's another hip hop warm up this time. We're not breaking things down, but well, I'm just gonna commentate on this warm up right here. I'm super happy today because right there, my boy right here, JR, and back here in the blue stripe, Lawrence. These are two old school DS players back here visiting. So we're doing a quick warm up. Here's a little bit of lock-in, pace and muscle and pace, muscle and pace, muscle and. So this whole thing is about 13, 14 minutes, something like that. So this is a good way to just warm up with me if you like. Again, warm-ups are important because you want to get the body, get the blood flowing. So we're just doing locks. Lock with the left knee bent, and then we switch double lock, 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 lock. This move actually took me a long time to try to learn because just getting the muscle to flex and relax that quick took some time. This is more of a bounce out the lock. It's not really like a lock, it's more of a bounce. You know, the first time I saw that move is from Skeeter Rabbit of the Electric Boogaloo. Actually, a lot of the moves I learned is from him. So that little move right there, Muscle Man into, that's more of a Mr. Atlas pose. I don't see a lot of lockers today doing that, but I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was a different version of like, you know how like bodybuilders flex and they kiss their bicep. So when I first saw that, I was like, oh, that's a pretty cool pose. Get into our wrist twirl drills now. With the march though. Wrist twirl and then across the body and then away from the body. Now, one of the things that I started doing too is instead of letting the arm rest, you guys check out this arm right here. It's kind of like locking a little bit. You know how you bring the elbows out. Notice like JR is picking up real fast, so it's real good right there. And now the rest of the student, I'll try to make sure everybody understands you're doing this and that at the same time. Twirl and lock at the same time. Took a little while to get that down. But again, just like anything, if you just keep practicing it over and over, it becomes muscle memory. But at first, building that muscle memory can be kind of frustrating at first. But you got to be patient. Alright, we're switching it up a little bit now. A little stop and go. So this is my good side. Everything we do in the warm-up, we're gonna try to do right side as well as left side. You wanna try to be as ambidextrous as you can, especially during the warm-up or during the drill, because if you don't do it then, you definitely, it's a lot harder to do it when you're actually just getting down and freestyling. Okay, here's the bad side. You still gotta concentrate. Make it so that it becomes, make it so that you don't have a bad side, you know, making sure both sides are in. Uh-oh, what's up? What's up with Erickson? Actually, when I noticed that him doing it, I was like, something's probably going on with him. Later on, I found out that he just wasn't feeling too well that day. But he's still a trooper, man. He's still my boy, so. All right, now we switch it up. What is this? Scooby. Scooby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just drilling and drilling it. 2 in a row. Now we spinning. Yep, you knew that was coming. Other side. What's next? What's next? Scooby walk. Scooby walk. So this is our right leg kick. Scooby walk. So for those that kind of remember the Janet Jackson Rhythm Nation, if you don't remember, if you never seen it before, search it up on YouTube. Janet Jackson Rhythm Nation. One of the first moves that she did in the video is Scooby walk. Now the way they did it, because the video is, you know, Rhythm Nation, it's very military-ish. When they did it, it looked more like military. They took out a lot of the essence of funk, I think. For me, a lot of the upper body, the neck movement, it was taken away. It was just a lot about the lower body. So, but again, that is the first time I saw that move, but I didn't realize it was that move, you know, when I learned the Scooby walk, because it looked so different. Because when I first learned the Scooby walk, it had arm movement, it had you know, the neck movement. So when I look back, but the leg movement is the same. All right, so we're getting into points now. Sharp pointing, point, twirl, and point. Point, twirl, point. Point, twirl, point. All right, some hip pivot movement. Sit. So this is a good way to warm up your hip joint right there. It's very reminiscent of Michael Jackson's Off the Wall. Hip movement. Getting back into our just bounce, loosening up the knees. A little bit of travel right there. Front back. Okay, we transition right into the Roger Rabbit right there. Back and forth. That's a good little routine. Good little warm-up drill. All right, I think we're finally done. That was a good little warm-up. Hope you guys enjoyed, guys. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe. Share it. See you in the next video.